Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a domain on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to delete a domain in GoDaddy. And of course, for now, we'll not need this page. We'll need to go into the domain portfolio. Of course, you can go through this page, but it's going to take a lot of unnecessary steps. So let's just open a new tab and simply type dcc.godaddy.com and hit the enter button. And that should take you into the domain portfolio of your account. Of course, here you'll find all the domain names that you have into your account. And of course, if you want to delete a domain name, just select it. For me, I have just one. And once you select it, of course, you'll have now to select this three dots option or this more option and simply click add this delete domains. As you can see, by clicking continue, you can assist to delete the select domain. Deleting removes the select domain from your account, breaks any product service attached to them, and may make them available for someone else to register. If you really want to delete it, make sure to check this, which is yes, I consent to delete the selected domain and click at continue. And as you can see, refunds are not available for deleted domains or their attached products. So keep that in mind. So of course, if you want, make sure to click at continue. For me, I don't want to do that. And you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.